Ugandan pancakes or Ugandan Kabalagala. Trust me, you're going to love this twist. So for the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, and remember, watch this video up the end. So you're going to get yellow bananas, like one cluster. So you have to make sure that you use a very ripe yellow bananas, and you're using the small bananas. So you can either mash them or blend them. So we are going to apply them in the blender. Apply a little water. Apply a little water and blend until you get a smoothie form. So after blending, we are going to apply it in the bowl. So after applying it in the bowl, we are going to apply some cinnamon. We are going to apply some cinnamon powder, 2 pinches. Cinnamon powder, 2 pinches. You can also put mixed spices if you need, because you are trying to make it unique. So you're going to put salt, 1 pinch. So after putting salt, 1 pinch, you are going to mix. You mix until everything mixes, because we need to make a good mixture. So you're going to apply in baking powder, 1 tablespoon. You're going to apply in baking powder, 1 tablespoon, and baking soda, 1 tablespoon. Then after, you mix for 2 minutes until it proves. Mix for 2 minutes or 5 minutes until it proves. So after, you're going to apply prestige margarine or unsalted butter. So you're going to also mix again. So make sure that you mix until everything dissolves. So you're going to apply vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon. Or you can use strawberry essence or chocolate, but make sure that you use a flavor, a clear flavor, which is not going to change the color of your pancake. So after, you're going to mix. So after mixing, you're going to start applying cassava flour. For the cassava flour, apply what's enough. Apply what's enough. The way you see it is the way you can also do it, from my kitchen to your kitchen, and you feel the taste. So I'm going to start kneading, or you start kneading. You start kneading slowly by slowly. Make sure that you don't make a very hard dough, and also don't make it too soft. So after, you're going to leave it to rest just for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we are going to start rolling, so that we cut into different shapes. You're going to cut into different shapes, and make sure that you cut the size. The size depends on your interest. You can start this business. So you're going to cut into round shape, but today I'm going to also introduce another style, or introduce another Kabalagala shape for those people who have never tried it. So make into a round shape. Make sure that you don't do it too thin. Don't do it too thin. So I'm going to get another cutter so that I try out another cutter. So for the new viewers, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Please, you WhatsApp me so that you can also join my WhatsApp channel, so that you can sit for online exams and also get an online certificate. So we are going to put the oil. When the oil is ready, we are going to start deep frying our Kabalagala, or the Ugandan pancakes. So we are going to deep fry them until golden brown. We are going to deep fry them until golden brown. Because remember, in the kitchen, we first eat with our eyes. That's why you have to deep fry them until golden brown. These Kabalagala can be taken on breakfast. You can accompany it with a cup of tea. You can accompany it with a glass of juice. It depends on your interest. So if you love juice, you can take it with juice. If you love tea, you can take it with what? You can take it with tea. So you see, you can start this business with only a capital of 10k Ugandan money. And this is a business idea. So for the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share with each and everyone. On YouTube, we release recipes from Monday to Sunday. So make sure that every day you check my YouTube channel, so that you can see what I have uploaded for the day. You see that golden brown. You can also try it at home. You can also try it for business. You can also try it for your kids. Just look at that. Wow.